Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make professional YouTube intro by using Canva. A well-designed intro can help you grab attention and make a lasting impression. So let's get started. If you haven't already, you will need to sign up for the Canva for the free version and a paid subscription with more features. Once you have signed up, you can start creating your intro. Now the first step is to choose the right template for your video. Canva has a variety of templates for YouTube intros. In here, search for the YouTube intro. Here are some of the examples that you can choose from. Make sure you add the intro video at the end as well, so that will give you some precise search result. You can choose any one of them according to your channel needs. Now scroll down to find the right template for your video. Let's choose this one. Just tap on it and then customize this template. Now once you have opened up the template, now it's time to customize this according to you. Let's delete this one and this one as well. Go to the text, add a subheading, just place it right here. Now select the right font. You can increase or decrease the size. Now I'm going to place it right here. Here, select the text color. Yeah, this looks good. Now take a copy of this. And place it right here. Now from here, just write your channel name. You can increase or decrease the size. And just like that, I'm going to play the video. You can also add the animation to these two. Now let's choose this animation. Let's play the video again. And there you have it. Now you have made yourself a perfect and beautiful YouTube intro for your YouTube channel. Now once you're happy with it, just go to File, click on Download. Here select the quality of the video, select the MP4 version and click on Download. Now you can add this intro at the start of your video. And that's it. Creating a professional YouTube intro is easy with Canva. With its customizable templates and animation options, you can create an intro that reflects your brand's personality. A great intro can help you stand out and make a lasting impression on your viewers. So if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.